Let's make this delicious Reshmi Mutton Handi. First of all, marinate the meat with the salt, white pepper, custard powder and yogurt. Give it a mix and leave for a couple of hours. In a handi, heat up the ghee. Add the sliced onions, ginger, garlic, bay leaves, green chilies and soaked almond and cashews. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour some water, cover and cook for another 15 minutes. After that, remove from the heat and cool down completely. In the same handi, heat up the ghee. Add the marinated meat and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After cover and cook until the meat is almost tender. Don't forget to stir in intervals. Blend these we prepared earlier into a smooth paste and add in the meat. Give it a good mix and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until you see oil separates and meat is fully tender. Add the double cream and cook on very low heat for another 5 minutes. In the last, add the kachori methi and turn off the heat. That's it. I can't wait to dig in. Look at this. It looks so creamy. I'm serving in a small handi just like a restaurant style. Hope you like this recipe. Chase the flavor.